ChatGPT has been trained on a large amount of text data and has a high degree of language proficiency, which allows it to understand and generate human-like responses. ChatGPT is available 24/7 and can respond to queries at any time of the day, which makes it a convenient option for users who require assistance or information outside of regular business hours. ChatGPT can handle multiple conversations simultaneously, which makes it a scalable option for businesses that require customer support or engagement. ChatGPT can be personalized based on a user's preferences and history, which enables it to provide customized responses that are tailored to individual users. ChatGPT can handle routine queries and tasks quickly and efficiently, which can save businesses time and resources. ChatGPT can communicate in multiple languages, which makes it a useful tool for businesses that operate in multilingual environments or serve customers from different regions. ChatGPT can continuously learn from new data, which enables it to improve over time and provide more accurate and relevant responses to users.